On Thursday afternoon, Karnataka police successfully rescued two young children aged 3 and 4 from kidnappers after a shootout near a Thani in Belagavi district. The children had just returned from school and were playing inside their living room when three armed suspects abducted them and fled in a Maruti Swift. The incident was captured on CCTV and the children's grandmother promptly reported it to the Thani police. By evening, police tracked down the suspects and intercepted their vehicle. When the kidnappers opened fire, officers responded, injuring one suspect and sustaining minor injuries themselves. Belagavi's superintendent of police confirmed that the exchange of fire was prompted by an attack on the police during the interception. All three accused are now in custody, and initial investigations suggest that the abduction stemmed from a financial dispute with the children's father. The children have been safely reunited with their parents, and authorities are continuing their investigation.
Few people barged into a house and kidnapped two children aged 4 and 5 years. When the incident came to be reported to police station, our all officers, including the DSP, reached the spot. They started the preliminary investigation. After preliminary investigation, it was come to know that two people barged into the house and they snatched two kids present in the house from the grandmother, and they got into the vehicle which was already waiting out there in a ready position, and they went away. So preliminary investigation confirmed that there were three people involved in the incident and a Swift Desire vehicle was involved. So the entire district police was kept on alert, especially the bordering checkposts were kept on alert, which were already active because of the impending elections in Maharashtra state. Such being the case, the victim's father also got a call around 2:30, 3 o'clock that unless you return the money, your kids will not be returned to you, and there is a impending harm that may be caused to them. And he was sufficiently warned also that if he reaches out to the police, the end will not be good for him and the kids. Further, keeping the safety of the kids in mind, our police had to act very carefully. They started gathering all the evidences. Unfortunately, we reached the dead end because the mobile phone got switched off from which they had called the police. But by that time, our police had formed three teams, and our technical team also reached there. So, with their assistance, we came to know that they were trying to cross the border. So early morning between 4:30 to 5, one of the team intercepted them, and when they were asked to surrender, three people coming out of the car started assaulting the police. As you saw, couple of my staff, namely J.H. Dange and Ramesh Gadmani, got injured in the scuffle. By the time they could overpower my men, another team reached there, headed by PSI Athani Uppar. For the safety of our staff and their own safety, they had to open fire first in the air. When the accused did not budge, they opened fire for the safety of our men and self, which resulted in injury to one of the accused on their leg. Once they saw that police won't leave them, the other two also surrendered immediately to the police. So we have secured three people so far. Accused number 1, Ravi Kiran; accused number 2, Samba Rawal Sab; and accused number 3, Shahrukh. So all the three are, the two are at Athani being inquired into, and as per the suggestion of the doctors, Samba Rawal Sab has been brought here.
Sir, what is the most?
Talk with doctors. They say that both my staff as well as Samba Rawal Sab are out of danger. As per the motive of this incident, the accused have invested in an online trading system platform for which victim's father is responsible. Not only this time, even earlier also, a kidnap incident had taken place wherein victim's father himself was kidnapped in Goa and was taken into their custody. In that case, Goa police registered the case and rescued the father. Now the same thing was attempted here to extort the money in the name of the kidnapping the children, which the police have successfully foiled. They have invested around 7 to 10 crores, so they demanded the entire amount.
They are
Yeah, they were caught at the border of Karnataka, Maharashtra in Aigli police station limits. They were traveling towards Jat.